Hi, everyone. My name is Jennifer Valdez. I currently work for the state of Delaware as a psychiatric social worker 3. I work under the children's department for the state, and I coordinate mental health and/or substance abuse services for kids that are under 18 that have Medicaid or no insurance. So I work a lot with children and families, as well as other interagency divisions such as Division of Family Services or Division of Youth Rehabilitative Services. The last few classes that I've taken here at Widener, I've really enjoyed them, specifically the human behavior and social environment classes, where I got to learn a lot about the different diagnoses and how to make an appropriate diagnosis, which takes a lot of time and effort. I also really enjoyed my classes where we got to learn hands-on interventions that I've been able to kind of practice and apply with my current families that I serve. And this class I am a little nervous for because history was not my best subject in a long time ago. But I am excited to learn about the development of policy and in different systems. So, from the local, state, and federal perspective, and then also when policies are created at a federal level, how then the states implement those policies, such as with Medicaid and healthcare services, as well as the homeless population, educational needs. So I am excited to learn, hopefully, also about different policies, maybe new and upcoming ones that are within the state of Delaware and how it might affect the children and families that I work with. I also hope to learn from my other classmates. I think that is the online program at Widener does a really nice job from learning from one another's experiences. So I am very excited to learn from my peers and can't wait to meet all of you. Thank you.